guys, it's Taylor, and I have another hair tutorial on how to do Marley twists. If you like them, then keep watching. It's the hair right here. This is what it looks like, and it's called Marley braid twist by Joe, whatever that is. So I parted all over my head. The perimeter, like, you know, not perimeter. Is it? I don't know. You know, this part, the outer part of my hair. Like, so if I don't finish, I can put my hair all in one ponytail and I'll have like my edges done. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys 2 ways of doing it. I'm just going to show you, I guess, the original way. That's when you just twist the hair in with the hair, if that makes sense. Like, I'm taking the 2 twists and then I go around, make sure I grab it tight and just twist that way. Honestly, I like twists to look natural. I don't want it to be too neat. So some of y'all like it neat. That's for if you want it to be neat. Me, I just kind of like it natural. I don't know. I just like mine natural. To me. Oh man, that was supposed to be a part of that part. I'm gonna redo that, but y'all get the point. I just took the 2 twists and I'm twisting it together like that. So yeah, I actually like this color. It's brown chocolate. I never did anything like this before. Like, I mean, I did, but let me stop lying. I'm gonna show you guys that again. So take this in 2, grab it like that, and then just twist at the tip, like twist that, and really in any direction. I mean, not any, but you'll kind of naturally do it. And then take that, loop it under, and just twist it. Continue to twist, and you got that one. So I just wanted to show you that one again. I took that out and redid it for you guys, and then I'm going to show you another way on how to twist it, or you can do braiding and twisting. It's up to you and your preference. I kind of find this easier. It stays, but I might do some mix. Mostly in the back I might do the braid, but in front I might just do the twist. Just a full twist like that. And boom, I only just used 2 of the hair strands that, you know, they come in like little strands. I used 2. Do 2. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it the braid way. So I'm gonna just take this strand. This is gonna be the 3rd piece, and the other 2 are the other 2 pieces. So you kind of loop it like this, as if you're doing regular box braids, like that, and you twist. You grab that and you start braiding, and you braid it in, and then you're gonna divide your hair and start twisting. Just braid it in for a little bit and then just go straight to twisting, like so. But I would do this in the back more than the front. The front, you kind of want them to look like twists. I mean, you can do them however you want, really. But that's how that looks like. But to match this, I'm gonna just take that out and twist it, and then you have a twist. Easy peasy. Do that for like forever. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys one more time just to be, you know, nice and, you know. You're gonna get 2 of the strands of hair. I might add more packs in this. I don't know if I bought them up. This is $50 worth of hair. You're gonna take it like this. Okay, this is the easier way to me. And then you're gonna take the 2 strands, lock them like that, twist it like this, and then go under with this piece. So I'm gonna take that, go under, and then just continue to twist and twist around your finger like you're doing like rope twist. So like that. Okay, you do it like that, and it's not too tight. Matter of fact, I don't feel it, and I have a tender head, so you guys will be good with this. It takes practice and time. Okay guys, so this is the results. If you have a whole day to yourself, you can complete this in one day. It just took me 2 days because I do work and go to school during the day. So it took me 4 hours each night to do this. So around 8 hours, 9 hours, which is typical for doing braids. So I did not use all 9. I just used 7 packs of the Marley hair. Again, it depends on the packs that you get. Some have more hair, some might not. So yeah, this is easy. Protective style is really protective style, easy, and it's like when I don't have to worry about getting up and doing it every morning. I can just walk up the house. You know, it's just a little break from keep manipulating my hair, just to put it away for a while. So that's also great. Yeah, but if you guys want to see any more videos, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my new hair page called my heritage underscore, and of course follow my Tayloringthrough Instagram page, and my other YouTube channel. That's very important. So I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. And if you have any questions, comment down below.